జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 10th చాప్టర్ విభూతి విస్తరయోగము 26th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, among all the trees, I am the people tree. And among all the Maharshis, I am Narada. And of all Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. And among all Siddhas, I am Kapila Muni. Like that, Krishna Paramatma declaring that because Paramatma kept his huge amount of spark in people tree, people trees, leaves, branches, wood are used in yajnas and other divine sacred rituals. And Paramatma declaring that because he kept his huge amount of spark in Narada Maharshi, Narada Maharshi is the one who establishes Srimannarayana's supremacy and always will be singing Paramatma's divine Kalyana Gunas and roaming all over all the worlds. And Krishna Paramatma saying that because Paramatma kept his huge amount of spark in Kapila Muni, Kapila Muni is regarded as Adi Vidvamsa and also praised by Vedas. Kapila Muni is also one of the avatarams of Paramatma. Like that, Krishna Paramatma declaring his Aiswaryam, his Vibhuti. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Asvathaha sarvavrukshanam devarshinancha naradaha gandharvanam chitraradhaha సిద్ధానాం కపిలో మునిః. ఓం. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.